So there is 1 week a year that hundreds of Winnebago RVs return to the mothership here in Forest City, Iowa for Camp Winnebago.
Welcome to Raleigh, baby!
Here are our costumes.
Lingerie.
You are not going to believe who our neighbors are going to be this year.
They're here. For over 50 years, Winnebago has been hosting this annual event welcoming owners back home to Forest City, Iowa, celebrating everyone's love of RVing and the legacy of the Winnebago name. It's one of the largest and longest-running single-brand RV events in the country. With seminars, games, live entertainment, food, RV tours, and more, it's one of the most anticipated events for fellow Winnebago owners every year. This is a really fun event. We have attended it for several years now. We're so excited to be back here with so many of our friends and fellow Winnebago owners. And it's just going to be a really fun week. So we made the journey here to Iowa and we did some stocking up at Costco, which is very necessary. And now we are filling up our fresh water here in town at Pamel Park. And then we'll be on the rally grounds and we'll get all set up and it's just going to be a great time. We got to the section where we got to unhook the tow car. Howard is doing that, and then I will follow him into the rally grounds.
Welcome to Raleigh, baby!
I love it. It's so good to see you. Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, girlfriend. I haven't seen you in so long.
So Camp Winnebago doesn't actually start for another couple of days, but every year they do something called pre-rally, where you can come in and camp on the grounds before all the festivities. And that's what we usually do because we like to get set up and get the lay of the land and see old friends as they start rolling in. And so they're starting to park other RVs and the grounds are really starting to fill out.
But everybody has to be set up by Sunday. That's the start of Camp Winnebago. And speaking of setting up, you are not going to believe who our neighbors are going to be this year.
Yeah, chances are you will probably recognize them, but I can guarantee that you have never seen them in a Winnebago before. So what are they doing at Camp Winnebago?
I have no idea. I know. I know.
They're here.
Hey! Oh my God!
Let's
Can you believe we're here?
Oh. It is.
We have been converted.
What a day.
Oh.
What a day.
Brought you to the Winnebago side.
Yes, and I tell you, we have a steep learning curve ahead of us. There is so much we don't know, and we've been doing this 6 years. It feels like we are literally rookies.
Starting over.
Yeah.
And Phil's already smashed his head twice.
Twice. I've hit my head twice, and I didn't think I was going to.
In case you don't know who Phil and Stacy are, they are the duo behind Today is Someday, formerly known as You, Me, and the RV. They are fellow full-time RVers who typically travel in a Class A, hence Phil's statement about having a lot to learn about the Class C RV they'll be trying out. You can also find great international travel on their channel, as well as RV tips and tricks, and a heavy focus on helping veterans. They are both Navy vets who've made it their mission to give back, raising over $180,000 for veterans charities with the help of their community. We became good friends with them 2 years ago during the filming of RV Unplugged, and we're so excited to travel with them this summer.
We are looking forward to the rest of what the rally has to offer.
It's going to be so much fun. We're
Yes,
so excited.
we're so
that we get to be
excited.
neighbors for the week.
Yes,
Yeah.
we get to torture you.
We could put the-
We're really excited
Hey,
about
you know
that.
what? This almost brings back season 1 vibes. You got
No
the courtyard.
banging of pots
Yeah,
and pans.
that's right.
Oh,
right.
Do we not have to be excluded?
No,
You are wearing team blue
Yeah.
colors.
I am wearing.
So
It was an accident.
we all got it.
You've been vetted, and we'll give you a waiver
Okay,
later.
Okay.
And look, we
I'm excited
didn't even plan this, and we're all in blue.
One of the really fun things about Camp Winnebago is that the entire town celebrates. There's also the Puckerbrush Festival. This is going on at the same time. They have parades, they had fireworks last night. There's an ice cream eating contest a little bit later too.
Yeah, so we're heading to the parade right now. We're taking Scout so she can see her second parade ever in her life. I think she'll really like it. We've actually never done the parade in all the years we've come to Camp Winnebago, so it'll be fun. Everybody's lining up. I think Scout had a very good time at the parade. She got some icy pops, she had dog treats and popcorn. Was it a lot of fun? They threw so much candy out. All the kids were having a great time. I mean, what other parade can you go to where there's actual Winnebagos in the parade? That was really, really, really fun. You got horses and all kinds of classic cars and fun floats. This was a very cute little parade. Scout loved it. Well, it is officially the first day of Camp Winnebago.
It is. And what better way to start than a first-timers orientation? You see, there are colored lanyards. If you have a green lanyard here, that means it's your first time. And the expectation is you don't know what to do. So luckily for first-timers, there's the first-timers orientation. And we're leading it.
Not just us, though. We are in very good company with some of our very good friends and fellow Winnebago ambassadors. We're going to tell everybody what they should do here this week. Like we're experts or something. Are you guys ready?
For what? What are we doing? Wait.
Oh, they're looking to us?
All these people back here.
Well, I just defer to Stephanie. I'm here for comic relief.
We're Howard and Kate on Newstate from the Newstate Nomads. We travel full time. We've been on the road almost 6 years. We've done over 150,000 miles in those 6 years. After a great first-timers seminar, we headed to the amphitheater for opening ceremonies, where Winnebago officially welcomes everyone to the rally. We got to enjoy live music, meeting fellow RVers, both two-legged and four-legged, and of course, there was ice cream.
Well, day one is officially in the books. Camp Winnebago.
We're big fans of Camp Winnebago.
Of the fans. Big fans of the fans. It has been so hot today, but the temperature is supposed to drop starting tomorrow. We had a great time. We had the opening ceremonies, our ice cream social.
That was very important.
The ice cream social.
Yes.
Somehow we ended up with extra ice cream sandwiches.
I have no apologies for the extra ice cream.
And we got to meet so many people, and it was a lot of fun. It's a beautiful night, and then tomorrow we have all kinds of fun activities. It's time for one of my favorite activities at Camp Winnebago, tie-dyeing. I did this last year with my good friend Lori, and I wear that shirt all the time. They actually added 2 different tie-dyeing sessions this year because it was so popular last year.
And how would I rubber band this?
So
I've
then
never done this.
you go kind of like a pie. So you just like slide it under and go like this, and then slide it like this.
Thank you, Kayla.
I like that. Yeah. You can do anything you want. You don't have to keep your single sword.
No, I'm gonna keep it. Let's the expert.
I saw your strategy. You had Caitlin do it for you.
He said mission accomplished.
Like, done. Well,
you know.
All right, here we go. Everybody strapped and ready for surgery?
suddenly got very overwhelmed.
The colors. What color?
Start with aquamarine. I like this color.
Oh wow. Oh, Caitlin, you're so fast. So fast, Caitlin.
Okay, now I have eggplant.
Eggplant.
A little bit of both.
Oh. Okay.
All right, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, success. Your turn?
Yeah.
All right, let me go bag this. You nervous?
A little bit. I don't want to do too much of this.
Yeah. You done?
Yeah, I think so.
3 colors?
Yeah, I think the 3 colors.
Awesome. Success.
All right.
We did it.
Don't touch you.
Or those white shorts.
Another big highlight of Camp Winnebago for us was getting to see the next RV we're testing out on our search for our new home on wheels. Earlier this year, we moved into the new Winnebago View 24T and spent 2 months traveling throughout Florida. And next up, we're going to be testing out the new Winnebago View 24R, and we got our first look at it on the rally grounds. Last time, Howard went in first, and I got to be like super surprised, so I get the first look. Ooh, okay. This is definitely different than anything we've ever tried before. Howard, are you ready? All right, come on in.
Ooh. Okay, I actually dig it. I dig it.
So different.
It's like if the Echo and the View had a baby.
It really is.
It really is.
Oh, this is
Really, I
cool.
like it.
I know.
Nice. It's got the flip-up counter.
Uh-huh.
Nice. But look at the bedroom. Now, Caitlin, this is the thing. Look at this.
This is gonna be so different. Oh my gosh.
So it's 2 twins that convert into a king, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we can have it as a king. You have more storage all the way around, like compared to the Echo. And then, oh, this is the bathroom.
Yeah, maybe we should save something secret though. We don't want to show them everything right now.
Okay.
Yeah, save it for the walkthrough.
Right. Well, can I close the door then?
Sorry guys, everybody's gonna be mad at me.
Bye.
First impressions, go.
I like the idea of having a bedroom. I don't know, Caitlin, what do you think?
At first glance, keep in mind we've been in here for exactly 5 minutes, and I do like it a lot more than I thought I would like it. Just because it is so different. We're so used to having a Murphy bed and being able to put the bed away and have that space back during the day. But I think that we are going to like having the twin beds, and it'll just, like I said, be something different to try and, you know, add to our pros and cons list as we start figuring out exactly what our next home on wheels is going to be. What do you guys think? What do you think of this one? We'll have a lot more to share on this new floor plan in the weeks to come, including how the move-in went and taking it out on the road for the first time as we caravan with Phil and Stacy. So Howard and I gave a presentation this morning on everything national parks related. We had a great turnout. It was at 8:30 in the morning, which if you know me, I am not a morning person. So I had a lot of coffee before we hopped up on stage, and we had a great time meeting so many other Winnebago owners. It was a lot of fun. And then we've just been getting work done and stuff today while they've had some other seminars and things going on. But now it is time to get ready for one of the main events of Camp Winnebago, Row Party Night. So every year Camp Winnebago has a theme, and this year it is Disco Fever. So you better believe that we have our costumes ready. There's a costume contest at 3:30, and then Row Party Night, all of the different rows will do something like they'll decorate or they'll give out some sort of like food or drink that's related to either an event or the state that they're from. And it's just a lot of fun for everybody to like mingle and have some drinks, and there's music, and it's just a great time. So we are going to get ready, and I can't wait to show you our costumes. All right, here are our costumes. Oh my goodness, we'll give you like the full-on review. We're gonna pop out of the RV and go see Phil and Stacy's costumes because they have costumes too. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm also so glad it is not like 90 degrees with 90% humidity anymore because this would be really hard in corduroy pants.
Oh, for sure. But Row Party Night,
Woo, it started.
a lot of fun.
Yes.
It's so cute!
It wasn't going to.
Oh, that's great.
This was almost the hair I had when I joined the military.
We have to take a picture together. Oh,
Yes.
this is amazing.
Yes.
Oh my god.
We are so ready. Ready to disco.
love this.
Oh, we have the same jewelry too. It's the whole package. Nice. We did.
We did. Good taste. Good taste.
Okay, look at that.
Look at them.
Corduroy.
Look at them. The whole package.
Look, even the shoes match. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They really are bad actors. Really. They are.
And you. Yes.
What are your names there? Rena. Robin, Rena. I'm going with Melissa and Scott. Second place. All right, first place going to our disco stop.
All right, we made it to our first stop of the evening, and this is something that Howard and I have never been able to do before. This is Louisiana with their jambalaya. We've missed out for the past 2 years, so we are making sure that we get some tonight. People line up for this. Look at this. Hey, there we go. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that big piece of sausage.
Oh, wow.
That is worth the hype. Oh my gosh. Wow. No wonder it goes so fast. So cute. Look at the little disco ball.
Caitlin, what do you think?
Oh my gosh. View Navion, hit it out of the park.
Oh, baseballs, the meatballs. That's right, the Flying Winnebago.
One of the most fun nights at Camp Winnebago this year was Family Feud. This started last year when James, half of the duo behind the Fit RV, held a Family Feud competition between the Echo owners and the Winnie Bees. It was so much fun to watch that Winnebago asked him if he'd do it down in the big tent this year. We weren't really filming a whole lot initially because even though we entered as a team of us, Phil and Stacy, and our friends Jim and Lisa, we weren't really sure we'd make it very far since they were doing lightning rounds to get down to the final team who would take on last year's winners. Well, imagine our surprise when round after round we kept winning, even after Howard totally blanked.
In a public place where it is okay to yell.
Ball party.
And was saved by Lisa.
Sporting event.
Sporting event, survey says.
Show it.
Number 1.
And Phil was saved by Stacy.
Flashlight. That's what I heard.
Oh, flashlight!
We have a flashlight from Team Andreas.
I got us a win, followed by Jim solidifying our spot in the finals. We were laughing so hard about how the heck we ended up on stage.
You're supposed to actually be playing.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
The first question.
The RV Family Feud.
After several rounds between us and the reigning champs, the Winnie Bees, we were up in points and crushing it. But it would all come down to the lightning round. We nominated Jim and Lisa, our not-so-secret weapons, to take on the challenge.
What will team up with this one? Name something associated with vampires.
Thanks.
Name something in someone's closet that only comes out on special occasions.
Monterey.
You can have your whole life to meet me. I know. I'm pretty advantage in this.
Number 1 answer.
Okay.
Jim. Woo!
Jim. Come on, Jim.
Yeah, we got some pretty good answers. So we're going to cheat a little here because we're smart filming. So, yes?
Got 88 points.
She got 88 points.
Yeah, Lisa!
Name something you might see a commercial for during a baseball game.
Viagra.
Tell me a word that rhymes with election.
Collection.
9 for the Winnie Bees and 600 and a zillion. Your champ.